Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Today we are talking about 3 ways you can increase your earnings as an Uber or a Lyft driver. And by the way, I'll have links below to these services. You can check them out for yourself, okay? The first way that you're gonna increase your earnings immediately is with Play Octopus. And when you do use our referral code down below, you get a free tablet. This is what it looks like right here. And it basically goes on your passenger's headrest, and they can play games. And the way it works is that in between the games, they're gonna play ads. And even if the passengers don't play games, they still pay out drivers, which is awesome. I think it's like, they pay you in points, which you can redeem for cash. And they say a lot of drivers make up to $100 a month with Play Octopus. So check it out. I've used it, I've had great experiences, link below. The next one, number 2. is Gridwise. Gridwise is an app. It's like a assistant app for drivers. They're gonna help you track your miles so you can save money in taxes or your tax filing, all that stuff. I'm not a licensed CPA, so don't get at me, but check out Gridwise. They also help drivers say where's the better spots to drive, which app you're earning the most on. It's a great assistant app. I do have a link below for Gridwise. You can use our referral link there. And the third way you can increase your earnings is through an app called Survey Junkie. Again, I have a link below, and when you use the link, you get a sign-up bonus for Survey Junkie. And you're gonna make money filling out surveys, and you're gonna do this in between your rides while you're waiting for rides. Instead of scrolling on Facebook and Instagram like every other driver, you're gonna take out your phone and you're gonna fill out really easy surveys. Can make extra money. You're gonna go from making, I don't know, $10 an hour, or 20 bucks an hour to $21 an hour. And it adds up, The more money the more surveys you can fill out in between your rides, the more money you're gonna have to spend on gas, like pay for your phone bill and contribute to your expenses. So anyways, those are the 3 ways that drivers can easily start increasing their earnings. Check out the links below. You guys are great, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.